Hey friends, I'm at the Columbus Circle station of 59th Street and Broadway, and I'm on the uptown platform of the I&D section of the station complex. And I just rode up on the R2 to 11T and going to transfer to the 1 train and head back downtown. This station's kind of unique. It does have the I&D part of the station. It does have 3 platforms, and the middle one is out of service in terms of servicing trains, but it is used as a passageway. As soon as this D train gets out of the station, we'll try to take a look at it.
Stop is skip the trains for 42nd Street, 14th Street, 49th Street to uptown local train. Passengers at 34th Street Penn Station, please go to the express platform for Brooklyn bound train service. Once again, passengers at 34th Street Penn Station, please go to the express platform for Brooklyn bound train service.
This is a 600-foot train, 8 cars, 75 feet each. And there's the center platform, which is in pretty good shape down there. You can see that part of it is fenced off. That's for the passageway. This part is not working, although they do have signs on it. Maybe they are planning on using it, or they'll use it like when they're making repairs to the downtown platform. So anyways, we're going to head upstairs. I guess we're going to be using the passageway. We're at the mezzanine level, but this is the uptown 1 train, and we need the downtown, so we will go to the passageway. Yeah, this is new to me. I think in the past, to get to the downtown 1, we just went along the downtown I&D platform. So this platform right now is not used for trains, just a passageway. Doors on this train will open on the other side. That's where we're headed, to downtown 1. And this is another large mezzanine. And past the fare gates is a passageway to 57th Street, and it's lined with stalls of mostly restaurants. So we got a train in 3 minutes. So this is the Broadway, the 7th Avenue line. We're 2 stops from Times Square, and the 1, 2, 3 trains run on this line. The 2 and 3 would be on the middle tracks. Those are the express tracks, and there's the 1 train across the way on the Uptown local track. So anyways, friends, I'm gonna leave it, and so we got a couple minutes to wait for the train. But anyways, thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. Take care now.